2009 Nissan Murano customer purchased this Android radio. He tried to connect, but he couldn't make it work. So we're gonna take it apart and find out why it's not working. Okay, the first step is to remove the side silver trims out. That comes out. The panel popper. Customer already had it out, so a lot of the screws are missing. Then the screws here holding onto the radio. So there's a little locking pin. You push it down to remove the plug. Same thing on this side. There's a little locking pin on top. Two screws here, two screws in front, so we use 4 field screws. Two more at a time. And two more friction. Remove these 2 screws there. Okay. Alright, so this should come out now. Top panel. You damage all the top panels. You damage all the top panels. Oh, yeah. Just simply carefully pry this out. Let's see. So we got that. Alright, so let's see what he did.
Yeah, we had to reset the radio because that.
Alright, a few things we had to change. First thing we had to do is we had to update the CAN bus module. You have to use a hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection. Then update the firmware. Then you can choose Nissan Murano 2009, which he didn't have. Then it also has output, RCA output. It says FR output. That has to be connected to the back of the center dash. In the back of it, there's AV input right there. Then you go to the original radio settings. You hit the satellite 2 times to go to the aux input from the back. A signal you cannot select unless you have a signal plugged into the back. Then once you select that, then the top audio goes through the aux input of the bottom original one. Another thing is he didn't have an antenna connected on the top one, so we're going to disconnect this antenna, factory antenna, put the adapter on it, plug it into the new radio on the top.